In this tutorial, I'm going to run you through how to navigate the Franna Online Lift Planner. So first of all, we go to this first drop-down box and we select our crane model, AT40, and we do our LMI type, which is an IC1, and then we have our configuration in here. So we have 4-block pick and carry, 4-block static, fixed lug pick and carry, fixed lug static, lug 1 pick and carry, and lug 1 static, and our rhino hook pick and carry and static, along with all of our optional runner configurations here. So for this tutorial, we'll choose 4-block pick and carry. Then we scroll down to our input section. So here on the right hand side, it gives you a little pictorial of the explanation of different articulation angle and roll angles and so forth. So articulated to the left is a positive, articulated to the right is a negative. Over here our roll, so rolling to the right is a positive and rolling to the left is a negative. So we'll input our radius. So for this we'll just choose 7 meters. Our boom length, we'll go 14 meters. Our pitch, we'll do -2 degrees. And our roll, we'll go +2 degrees. And our articulation angle, which is -15. And we'll input a 5,000 kilogram load. Then we select calculate and we wait. We'll scroll down and view our results. So here we can see we'll have a boom angle of 37 degrees. Our rated capacity is 8,329 kilograms. Our maximum hook height before we contact the anti-2 block is 10.7 meters, and our front axle load is 21,211 kilograms. And our total boom height is 12.6 meters, and we're utilizing 60% of our maximum capacity. That's it. Thank you very much.